going to tell you how to transfer from ATM Landbank to GCash, and this is actually very easy. So at first head over to the App Store or Play Store and download the Landbank app. After that, what you're going to do is head over into the app and you're going to click on Fund Transfer, and you're going to click on Fund Transfer one more time. From there, you're going to put as GCash as your destination account, and then click on transfer now, and then it's going to ask you for the account number, receiver name. Put in all of this information and then click on proceed. After that, you're going to put in the amount, and then the purpose will be payment, and then click on transfer now, and then just check the transaction details one last time and then confirm, and then it's going to ask you for a one-time pin, so make sure you put the pin and then proceed, and there you go, your transaction will be done. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.